guys, I'm Courtney Cochran. Are you ready for a science lesson? I know I am. Today we're talking about the life cycles of organisms. Now, an organism is any living thing that's made up of one or more cells and carries out the functions of life. And a cycle, that's something that goes in a circle and continues on just like the wheels of a bicycle or bicycle. Get it? We're going to take a look at some diagrams of some life cycles. A diagram is a drawing that explains something to us. First, we're going to look at the life cycle of a butterfly. What do you notice about this life cycle? I notice that the butterfly starts as an egg. It turns into a caterpillar, which forms a chrysalis, and a butterfly comes out of the chrysalis. Isn't that fascinating? The butterfly lays an egg and the cycle continues on. Now, let's look at the life cycle of a dog. What do you notice about this life cycle? I notice that it's very similar to the life cycle of a butterfly. The dog starts as a puppy that's just been born. It grows into an adult that has more puppies, and that cycle continues. Finally, we're going to look at the life cycle of a plant. What do you notice about this life cycle? That's right. It's very similar to the life cycles of the butterfly and the dog. Isn't life on Earth amazing? Even though organisms can be so very different, like the butterfly and the dog and the tree, they share similarities, like in their life cycles. We all have the same stages in our life cycles: birth, growth, reproduction, and then finally death. What I want you to do, young scientists, I want you to go out in your home and find an organism. And I want you to try to predict or guess, based on the evidence, what life cycle stage is that organism in. I know you're going to do a great job with your predictions. I'll see you next time. But until then, never stop exploring and never stop discovering.